In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do A/B testing in Hubspot. A/B testing is a powerful way to optimize your email campaigns by comparing two versions to see which performs better. Let me guide you through the process, step by step, so you can enhance your marketing efforts. Alright, let's dive in. Begin by heading over to the HubSpot website. It's your go-to platform for all things marketing and sales, a one-stop shop for managing your business tools seamlessly. Now once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on it to access your HubSpot account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you're managing campaigns for multiple clients or departments. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This dashboard houses all the features and tools you need, and it's where you can get a quick snapshot of your current workflows and analytics. From here, your next move is to focus on the top navigation menu. Locate the Marketing tab and give it a click. This will redirect you to all the marketing tools HubSpot offers, from email campaigns to social media and more. Once you are in the marketing section, you will want to zero in on email. Click on it to enter the email marketing feature. HubSpot's email marketing tool is user-friendly, but packed with powerful functionalities that can help you reach your audience effectively. Now in the email section, you'll see a list of your existing email campaigns. Find the email you'd like to A/B test. It could be one that's scheduled to send soon or a draft that's yet to go out. Click on the specific email to open it. This step takes you to the editing mode where you can modify content, design, and settings. Next, it's time to set up your A/B test. On the screen where you can edit your email, look for the option that says Create A/B Test. Go ahead and click on that. This action will duplicate your original email, allowing you to make alterations to test variables. You might choose to tweak the subject line, change an image, or adjust the call to action to see which version engages more effectively with your audience. Following these steps meticulously will set you up for a successful A/B test in HubSpot. By analyzing which email version garners better performance metrics like open rates and click-through rates, you gain insights into what resonates most with your audience. And that's it, you've now set up an A/B test in HubSpot. With these steps, you can continuously refine your email marketing strategies and optimize for better results. Thank you for watching and happy testing.